Hello, model car builders. This is the Novice Builder. Hope this video finds you well. Sharing with you my MPC 69 Dodge Charger, if I recall correctly. Yes, 1969 Dodge Charger build. I did this particular build in these shift colors that I bought. I think I bought these, frankly, at Walmart. And I bought different shift colors, flash colors. This one's uh, named a Vert Brilliant, is what it's called. Vert Brilliant Green Flash. So this is the results I got with this. It is an acrylic, as I've mentioned, but wanted to share with you my charger. I was pretty happy with the color I got. This is not a very good kit, very poor quality kit, a lot of fitting issues, a lot of flashing, but just the molds, I think they're old that they use, or not working very well, but it just doesn't go together well. A lot of gapping issues, as you can see on the front hood. A lot of test fitting you have to do to make sure they fit right, sanding, cutting, adjusting. So just not very impressed with this MPC kit. I wish they would improve it because the 69 Charger is a very nice car. I have some of the 68s that I've built from Revell that are very nice kits, but they just didn't do a very good job on this particular kit. But wanted to share with you, finished it up. Still got a few details to do from looking at it, but wanted to share how do it come out. The front grille are inserts. That black portion are inserts on the front grille. This has, I think, a Hemi that comes with the kit. The chrome valve covers, but very basic in the engine compartment. Not a lot of detail. As you notice, the kit does not come with the top hose radiator. I'm still going to, I overlooked doing it, but I'm going to fabricate a top radiator hose for it, do some research and get that installed. You would think they could at least put the top radiator hose in these builds, but not sure why MPC doesn't. I went with these turbine strokes, I think they've been referred to as, and I did my own red lines. As you can see, it didn't come out as nice as what I have liked, but tried to do my own red lines, and then what I do is do them with a couple of ink pens that I have, and then I go over the tire with some flat coat to seal the tire so I don't smear the red lines. But worked with it quite a bit, so they got a little bit smeared. I may have to touch them up later. But wanted to share. I like the color, the way it came out better. I built another one of these some time ago. You can see in the background. I did the interior of this in black also, but notice the back window needs some cleaning. If you can see there, got to do some better cleaning on that back window. And did the interior black. I really wasn't sure if I wanted to build this again. I was frankly experimenting with this color shift paint, and was going to wait and see how my paint job came out to decide if I would continue building it. And since I was happy with the results of my paint job, I just kept going, and things as far as the way my colors and things and the tires went together okay. So I just decided to finish it up. I did the bottom in the same color. You can see I have the Chrysler orange there on the motor, and the drive shaft, axle, leaf springs, exhaust are all one piece. The headers don't really match up well with the exhaust. I kind of worked with that as well as I could. And Finished that up. I noticed I didn't paint the gas tank on the bottom, but wanted to share with you this build, how this came out. It's kind of how it goes. Originally, the tires on the front, if you do them the way it's set up, it puts up the front up way too high. So I drilled out the second option on this, which was kind of hard because they kind of go into these frame braces there when you drill them out to do the posts for the tires. So it's kind of a challenge, but I was able to get it to work out. So just a lot of issues with this kit. Just not a very good quality kit, but came out okay. I wanted to share with you. I mean, if you work with them, sometimes you can get some decent results. So you can see in the background the previous one I did in black. I did that some time ago, a couple of years ago, the very beginning of COVID, and working on these kits. I did another one, and when I was finishing up this kit, I grabbed it as a reference, so went ahead and cleaned it up a little, re-drilled the front tires and lowered the front on this one, and finished up, tried to touch up my black paint. Not a very good paint job on this. I did this in a gloss black, but I mean, it came out okay, but it isn't my best work, frankly, as far as paint. You can see the stripe I did in the back on this one. I haven't decided if I'll do a stripe on the other build, but not a very good kit. I think on this one I was able to find a radiator hose from another kit and just included it on there, as you can see, the radiator hose. So anyway, this is the builds of this MPC 69 Charger. Wanted to share with you. I saw one build that someone did of this and did an excellent job. As I mentioned to them, they made a poor kit look very, very good. Gentleman did a very good job on his build. But thank you so much. Let me know what you think, thoughts, observations about the kit, how it's come out for you, and let me know what you think. Thank you again. Hope everyone is safe and well, and we will talk soon.